fatty acid. Fatty acid are the building blocks of lipids. Building blocks of lipids. Now, fatty acid are classified into two groups. Fatty acid are classified into two groups. One is called unsaturated fatty acid. Second one is called saturated fatty acid. Now, what do you mean by saturated fatty acid? Saturated fatty acids are long chain carbon containing acid which contain a terminal functional group. Terminal functional group, what is that? Carboxyl group. Carboxyl group is long chain saturated fatty acid. Why it is called saturated? They do not contain any double bond. Saturated fatty acid, they do not contain any double bond. They contain only single bond. They contain the C20 carbon atoms. C20 carbon atoms. That is called as saturated fatty acid. Example you see, I written here lauric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid. These all are the example of this saturated fatty acid. These all are found in the plants. These all are found in the plants. Now, unsaturated fatty acid means they contain two double bonds or more than two double bonds. Unsaturated means they have the criteria to contain double bonds. Either two double bonds or more than two double bonds. They are called as unsaturated fatty acid. Now, these unsaturated fatty acids are classified into two groups. One is called monounsaturated fatty acid and di-unsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid. Mono means if they contain one, that is double bond. One double bond, that is called mono. If they contain two double bond, di. If they contain more than two double bond, they call polyunsaturated fatty acid. Polyunsaturated fatty acid. I am showing this one. See here. Example of monounsaturated fatty acid. You see here. Structure. Palmitic acid and oleic acid. They contain how many double bond? One. That's why that is the unsaturated fatty acid which contain only one double bond. That is called monounsaturated fatty acid. Example, palmitic acid and oleic acid. Palmitic acid and oleic acid. They contain how many carbon? How many carbon is there here? 16, 18. Do you know the carbon atom? Next, polyunsaturated fatty acid. They contain more than two double bonds or double bonds. So polyunsaturated fatty acid, they are also known as omega fatty acid. Omega fatty acid. They are also called as essential fatty acid. Essential fatty acid. Why they are called essential fatty acid? Because these polyunsaturated fatty acids are not synthesized within the body, but they are essential for the growth and development of the tissue or cell in the body. That is why the polyunsaturated fatty acid or omega fatty acid are called as that is essential fatty acid. Essential fatty acid. Now you can divide what is essential fatty acid. These are the polyunsaturated fatty acid which contain more than two double bonds, and they are essential for the growth and development of the cell or tissue, but they cannot be synthesized within the body. That's why they are designated as essential fatty acid. Example you see, linoleic acid, linoleic acid, arachidonic acid. Next, I will talk about fats and oils. Now you should understand, because I already told fats and oils are the ester of fatty acid. Now, what is fats? What is oils? Remember, very important thing. What is the difference between fats? I will discuss later on. Fats is a ester of long chain saturated fatty acid. Fat is a ester of long chain saturated fatty acid with glycerol, whereas oils are the ester of unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid. Remember that one. So now you understand. Fats are ester of long chain saturated fatty acid with glycerol, and oils are ester of unsaturated fatty acid. Most of the oils are found in where? Plants. In which part of the plant? Seeds. And fats are found in the animals. Fats are found in the animals. Now this is the formation of the ester. Already I told 3 molecules of the fatty acid react with the glycerol to form the triglyceride. Triglyceride nothing but ester of fatty acid and glycerol. What is the difference between fats and oils? Very, very important. What is the difference between the fats and oils? First, fats are found in animal. Fats are found in animal. Whereas oils are found in the seeds part of the plants. Seeds part of the plants. Number 1 difference. Number 2nd, fats are the ester of long chain saturated fatty acid with glycerol. And oils are the ester of unsaturated fatty acid with glycerol and other monohydrate alcohols. Fats are stable, whereas oils are unstable. Fats having the higher melting point, then oils having the lower melting points. The van der Waals forces between the fatty molecules are very stronger. Remember, the van der Waals forces between the fatty molecules are very stronger, whereas in case of oils, it is